The animal associated with the number 7 is the butterfly. Small, but impossible to ignore. Constantly transforming and beautifully unpredictable. Bringing magic into the most ordinary moments. You see the world differently, embracing change with grace, and bring color wherever you go. People think your lightness means you haven't suffered. They're wrong. You've just learned how to carry your pain with beauty. You shape entire worlds without anyone noticing until it's already done. You sprinkle hope where there was none. And you make people believe in things they'd given up on. And you do it all while they're busy looking for something louder. Don't forget who you are and what it is that you give, even if they do.
Photography was taking me out. In the same breath, though, you know, it's like.
Yeah. Well, again, be patient with yourself and.
So as you can see, these are not just any eggs. They are laid by my coworkers. We're making a dish with these today, and heads up, I'm gonna be doing the absolute most.
Oh baby girl, girl, you're the one for me. One for me. But now our thing is over. A little thing is over. All of the girls, them they want for me. One for me. But me know when I'm over. A little thing is over. Yeah, yeah. And nowadays you know one see me. You know if you tell me say you fancy me. Maybe now you or you can see me. Maybe now you or you can see me. All of a sudden we are transform. Waiting you want, baby, answer me. Waiting I do, baby, try see me. Waiting I do, baby, try see me. Yeah, yeah. Till I'm on way. For anyone hot fi ache tonight. How many man left fi make the light? Oh no, no. Cinnamon way. See everything good fi end tonight. And if it's on us, we find the light. Cause whole time me try breathe. You tryna can see me. Your smile I'm unseated. I like the way you make me work, girl, me love. Consider how many man left fi make the light. Oh baby girl, you're the one for me. One for me. But now our thing is over. A little thing is over. All of the girls, them they want for me. One for me. But me know when I'm over. A little thing is over. Yeah, yeah. And nowadays you know one see me. You know if you tell me say you fancy me. Maybe now you or you can see me. Maybe now you or you can see me. All of a sudden we no chance for me. Waiting you want, baby, answer me. Waiting I do, baby, try see me. Waiting I do, baby, try see me. Yeah, yeah. And nowadays you know one see me. You know if you tell me say you fancy me. Maybe now you or you can see me. Maybe now you or you can see me. All of a sudden we no chance for me. Waiting you want, baby, answer me. Waiting I do, baby, try see me. Waiting I do, baby, try see me. Yeah, yeah. One see me. You know if you tell me say you fancy me. Can see me. Can see me. All of a sudden we no chance for me. Answer me. Waiting I do, baby, try see me. Try see me. Yeah, yeah.
Now these ended up turning out super delicious. I did lose a little steam towards the end because there were so many steps, but I'm so proud of them nonetheless. Now, I'm lucky to be close friends with the deviled egg queen herself, culinary artist Tracy Moore. She makes so many different creations with her deviled eggs, and believe me, you have not lived life until you have tried some of her deviled eggs. Now, this recipe came from the YouTube channel Under a Tin Roof. It's one of my favorite channels to unwind and relax. Now, my eggs look nowhere near as good as hers, but I just want y'all to know that she is the original blueprint. again with these Tate pleated sweatpants. These are just absolutely to die. The fit is just to die. These are actually from the men's department of the Frankie Shop, and I absolutely love the silhouette on these. I've been on the wait list for at least over 6 months for these. They sold out in every color. I love the pleats. I love the balloon. The silhouette just goes crazy, and the material is top tier. We are about to skate off. It's currently 52 degrees in Dallas, so I do need to figure out a jacket situation with this outfit. I love, love, love wearing coats. There's no other fashion hack like throwing on a fly coat over a dope outfit, so let's get into it. Now, I am obsessed with this trench coat from ASOS. I love the silhouette of what's going on here. Like, look at this, look at this. The pants are ballooning, the coat is ballooning, it's cinched at the waist, so it just makes everything that much more dramatic. And when you pair it with the collar, oof, oof, top tier. I think we're just gonna jazz this up with some accessories and see what we think.
DDS.
We went there. Okay, you see what I mean? You see what I mean? Sporty, chic. And this is really like nice and lightweight, but it also keeps you warm. So I really, really love this coat, but let's see what else we got.
Go ahead, put a loaf on your head. Go ahead, put a loaf on your head. Niggas be killing baby daddies and worried about the kid. Is she really with this shit? Is she really all in the field? Yeah. Yesterday she had Tim's on. Today she got heels on.
I absolutely love this coat. If I could, I would wear this coat every single day. She's heavy. She's heavy. It's literally, you know, a person all on its own. Look at those sharp shoulders. I'm a rectangle made in Bulgaria. This is the real deal. Think Williamsburg, the Jews walking around. Yeah, this is what the Jews be wearing, okay? The real deal. The real deal, Home Alone. But unfortunately, it's just not that cold outside, so I'd be doing way too much. I really want to wear this coat though, and I think it pairs so nicely with these loafers, you know, but this is kind of like a fun day. We're just gonna run around and hit a couple of happy hours, so no, we can't be big business today.
You know why he got dressed? Giving out no passes. Tell my shooter, go ahead. Go ahead. Put a loaf on your head.
Okay, yeah, this is giving as well. Okay, so this is cute too. I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. I actually like it with the hat, but I'm really not in a hat mood, so I don't think I'll probably end up wearing this hat. So anyway, to be honest with you, I think I'm just going to settle for this Acne Studios coat. I am obsessed with this coat, especially waiting. I had to wait. This hit the runway literally like a few years back, and I had to wait for this to be available so I can purchase it. They had the blazer, they had the trousers, they had everything except for this coat in this length. And when it finally came available, I snagged it. So any chance that I get, I try to wear it where I can. And it's just, you know, one of my favorite things. I love this coat with this color palette. And I think I'm just gonna go for this because it's, you know, it's fun, it's easy, and it looks like effortlessly chill. So, and you know, just an easy way to get a fit off. We do have the custom Duke and Dexter loafs on. We got the Frankie Shop pants, and the coat is the cherry on top. So we'll rock out with this.
Go ahead, put a loaf on your head. Go ahead, put a loaf on your head. It isn't hard to see the change in our mood. Now that you're face up with the world, was like you got the things no one understood until you went for the outside. There'd be no time in again. Always end up running astray, running away.
Man, I'm just with 5D Mark IV.
Wait, no,
Yeah.
because I'm mirrorless right now, but all of my classic, amazing, awesome photographers I look up to, 5D Mark IV. We stay with the DSLR.
Yes.
Yes.
Yep, I can't let it go. Like this is food. Yes, well that's good. It has to be a reason we met because I have been, like I said, in a funk.
Yes,
So
I
I'm like,
actually just moved here.
from where?
Arkansas.
Okay. What's wrong with that?
I mean, it's Arkansas, you know. Moved to Dallas, people are like,
LA,
Arkansas.
Miami,
Yeah, what you
like,
talking about?
Arkansas.
Yeah, girl, brand new, scared all the time.
You
But
hit me up.
we
I'm
figured
an
it
open
out.
book.
Please,
We can
I
hang
would love
out.
to kick it with you.
Yes.
And speaking of photographers, I
You?
can see you around sometime.
Give me your name one more time.
Zeta.
Zeta, that's right.
Yes, so nice to see
Definitely.
you. Have a good one.
All right, you too. Lovely meeting you. Hopefully I don't trip down the fucking steps. Okay, so I'm pretty much done exploring. So I have a reservation at Phlur for 5:15, and I'm here a little early just to explore the neighborhood and check out some of the shops, which was super cool, as you would have seen. But now I'm gonna go ahead and head to the restaurant now for the reservation. Hello. 5:15. I think this is her calling me now. I know I'm a little early, so if you can't see me, that's fine.
Like cold November rain, like a man without a name, like a song without a refrain. That's how I feel without you. Like a door without a key, like a wave without the sea, like a hive without the bees. That's how I feel without you. But
Little thing here. That's what I did. A block ahead. She said it's too much for me. So you're gonna live this town, y'all. To our success. All right, guys, so I have to tell you about this leeks appetizer at this restaurant. Now, I am not a person that would order leeks. The only leeks I know about is Nene Leeks from the Real Housewives of Atlanta, okay? Usually the leeks come within the dish, not as the main dish, but listen, I am now a true believer. This was the best appetizer by far that I've had in a very long time, and I am a fan, and I will definitely be back. Guys, this is a must try. That sauce, I was like, they got a winner on their hands. You know what? Okay. Oh my god, that is so fire.
And then the sauce on the side here is kimchi bacon.
Oh my god. Girl, this looks so damn good. This chicken sandwich. Alright, we're here.
my face on my face.